Compact design. Folded size only 23.2*18.9 inches, opens and closes in seconds, easy to pack and store in a storage bag. Convenient shoulder straps for easy transport to your camp or outdoors. Breathable large size. Breathable mesh back plus 600D tear-resistant Oxford fabric, seam reinforcement. Full size 24.8 by 23.2 by 36.6 inches. Seat height 17.7 inches. Seat depth -21.3 inches, weight -13 pounds. Side big table. Folding table with luxury cup holder, designed for cups with handles, and the side table very suitable for storing cell phones and books easily. Extra bonus storage bag. Comfortable padded armrest with convenient multi-bag storage area to store little things. Stable durability. Powder-coated steel frame, reinforced joint and pivot. U-shaped legs with non-slip feet can help you feel extra stability. Support up to 300 pounds of weight. Top reviews from the United States. I love these chairs. There was definitely a slight learning curve on how to properly open these, but I found it easiest to put my right foot on the outside base, use my hand to pull up the middle bar to lock it into place. Ordered 2 of these for kids' soccer and football seasons, and they've held up great. So much more comfortable than regular camping chairs. I'm impressed with the quality sturdiness.